Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to claim your daily rewards in Plants vs Brainrots event. So let's get started. First, just open the game and then just enter the event area like this. And once you're inside, just head over to daily rewards like this. And then in here, you will see a list of specific Brainrots that you are required to collect or sacrifice for this day. For example, I already submit 2 Brainrots earlier and I have already received 2 rewards. And then now I'm going to collect the next one that event asks for. Just tap on the Brainrots icon. Just search it first and then just take it. And then just tap on place Brainrot like this. And just like this, your rewards is automatically added to your inventory. It's super easy. And then next, you can continue completing all required brainrots for the day. And if you finish the entire list, you will also log on the grand rewards, which is definitely worth chasing. And okay, that's how you can get your daily rewards fast and easy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.